Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I will be reviewing an excellent knife. This is actually the Civivi Elementum, and I am really excited, and let me tell you why. First off, because I'm now an affiliate for Civivi, so if you want any Civivi knives, you can go ahead and look in the description of this video and use my link and you will get a discount. So I'm always excited when I am able to work with amazing companies and provide you guys with a little perk. Also, I love this knife and it seems like a lot of people do. Why? Well, this knife won at Blade Show for the best value in a knife. So I can see it. The name Elementum says it all. I have reviewed the Civivi Pintail a few weeks back. I will put a card there if you want to check it out. But I really liked that knife, right? And I actually thought that would have been a good EDC knife, right? In a way that, it kind of hit all the marks without kind of breaking the bank. Well, this one topped it off. This knife is so good. So good. Let me actually take this opportunity to show you the box first, because I don't have the chance of doing this much with knives because I typically have them in my collection and the box are put away. But I'll do a quick kind of show just for you guys to kind of see how it all comes. This comes in in a soft little container with, looks like a Civivi sticker. Yeah, 2 of them. And a little instruction book and a knife cleaner rug. It's also soft inside. Okay, just wanted to show you guys that because, again, I don't do this quite often, so I had it today, so perfect. Okay, so this one is very cool addition because I do love the way it looks, right? This one has the black coated steel with the Cuibourtia wood handle. Epic. You guys know how much I like when the hardware of the knife and the blade matches. So this one has the black blade with the black hardware all around. It also has a black clip. Really cool. Let's talk specs, and then I'm going to tell you a couple other things that I think are really amazing with this knife. I think you guys are going to want to pick one up. It is probably going to be one of my most carried EDCs for a lot of reasons. Let's talk about the specs. Overall length 7 inches, blade length 2.96, blade width 0.875, blade thickness 0.12. As for the handle, we have a handle length of 4 inches, a little over. Handle width 1 inch and thickness 0.43. The weight is 2.89 ounces. I love that. The fact that this knife is so lightweight makes me so happy, and that is one of the reasons why this is going to be one of my most carried knives. You guys know I always talk about the SOG Ultra XR because it is a lightweight knife. The Civivi Pintail is pretty lightweight as well. The Terminus is lightweight. I like that because, again, it's a matter of lifestyle, right? For me, my everyday carry is an urban style of carry. So it's always, like going to the beach, going to the pool. I'm not wearing a lot of big clothes. So, skinny jeans, shorts, things like that. You kind of need, as a woman, I think for the most part, you would want a smaller knife for your EDC. I like that about this knife. The lightweight factor, right on the spot. Also, let me tell you something. So the name of the knife is Civivi Elementum. The idea here is that Elementum gives you an idea of balance, right? And the way that Civivi describes that is kind of like all the elements in the earth give you a balanced life. Well, they translated that concept into the design of the knife, and I can see it. You can see it. I mean, we're talking about a lightweight knife, a knife that looks good, extremely functional. It also has a buttery smooth flipper, buttery smooth. So it kind of mixes, ergonomics. Ergonomics are incredible on this one. So good. And and I have said in the past, I have reviewed the Civivi Mastodon, adding the card here. And that one had given me a hot spot when I grabbed it. Also because the handle on that one is just super big. But this one, the ergos are so good. The design is a minimalist look. The price point on this, you guys, depending on the finish you get for the blade and for the handle, it varies. You can pretty much find it between 55 to 100. This one is actually worth about 70. Again, you can use my code if you want to get it. And the Elementum, honestly, most of the designs are sold out. They are very popular. It's a very popular knife, and I can see why. A few other features I really like. Okay, first, hollow grind. Let's just go step by step here. Let's talk about the blade. Again, black coated. It's a D2 steel. Perfect for the price point. Actually, I think it's an amazing choice. I do love D2 steels, and for the price of the knife, wow, I mean, what a cool choice. Hollow grind, really nice design. You know, it has a little jimping here. You can see that. I love it. A little choil here for sharpening. Beautiful. Now, handle. That's kind of my most favorite part. I always say, why do I love Civivi so much? I do love the C over there. So if you guys have a name with a C, it's kind of like a personalized knife. Also, I mean, if you want to personalize your Civivi, you can actually do that as well. So, you know, kind of a cool option there. Black hardware throughout. It also has a lanyard hole to the side, which I love that. It has a deep pocket carry clip. Beautiful. I love the fact that it's black. I love the fact that it's incredibly deep pocket, meaning there is no extra. You go straight in, and I love that on lightweight knives. It kind of feels seamless. It feels like it's not there, especially as a woman. Tight pants, short shorts, they typically like stick to you. A lightweight knife like this one, it's barely there. It's barely noticeable. It's really, really well done. You guys, I'm a fan. Did I forget anything? I don't think so. Well, obviously, I guess you can tell it's a liner lock. I guess I always miss that part, but I think it's, for me, it's just a, you know, it's, well, obviously, but not for everybody. So yeah, sorry, it is a liner lock. Again, a smooth action. The action, you know, you open it easy, close one-handed. The blade drops shut beautifully. Huge fan for the price point, the materials used, the design, lightweight factor, ergos. It all hits the mark for me. I hope you guys check it out. Again, link in the description. That does it. Again, you guys, you can follow me on Instagram. I provide a lot of lifestyle pictures over there. I also have a Teespring store where you can get some LittleFitDevil merch. There's my pillow, but there's shirts, other things. I also have a Patreon account. I have recently upgraded all my tiers. There's 3 tiers now. I provide exclusive photo shoots, some cosplay, exclusive stickers. So go ahead and check it out if you like. All the links to all my social media are in the description of this video. If you like what you see, please go ahead and consider subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing. It all helps me out. I appreciate you guys being here so much. And I will see you guys soon in another knife review or shenanigans or vlog or creative concealed carry idea video. Have a good one.